guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and I post 5 times a day, a week, well 4 or 5 times a week. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the fun that we have on this channel. So in this video, I am doing a collab with Amateur Decorating called My Christmas, My Style 2018, and I will be sharing with you my Christmas haul. This is a bit of a DIY Christmas haul, so most of the items that I will be sharing with you are for my future DIYs that I had purchased for Christmas. So first I'm going to start off with the Christmas lights. These are my favorite. I love the way they look when they're turned on. I know that they might not be the most efficient as far as electricity goes, but I absolutely love the way they look. They are the clear lights, string lights, just like I said, plain clear. They're 2 times 175 lights, so altogether 350 count. I have picked they're 22.8 meters in total length, or 75.1 feet. They are good for indoor and outdoor use. They have 12-inch green lead wire. I think it's lead or lead. Anyhow, and they're by Holiday Living. I got them at Lowe's and they were 30% off, and I think they were $18 plus tax. So I will be redoing one of the Christmas trees, so I will be using these. I think these are a great buy. In one of my videos I have shared that they are a better value than buying them at a Dollar Tree. So the next item that I had purchased for my Christmas is I will be making a wreath with pine cones. So I had picked up this iron wreath from Iron Wreath Form. It's 14-inch by Floral Garden from Dollar Tree, and I will be sharing that DIY later. I had also picked up 9-foot wire-edged ribbons in the plaid. These small ornaments, 16 pieces by Christmas House. They have the couple different patterns and sparkles, and I had picked up 2 of these. Then I have also picked up 2 sets of these because I am redoing my Christmas tree, like I'm doing different style. So I had picked up 2 of these. They're like the champagne color, and as well as I had picked up, I know these were a hot item last year, the angel wings, and they are like the rose gold. And I have picked up 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm gonna be covered in glitter. 5, 6, 7. The reason why I picked up 7 is because that's all they had. So those were from Dollar Tree. From Dollarama, I had picked up some of the pine cones. I have more that I had picked up from the garden, but I had picked up these as well for my DIY. And I had actually picked up 2 of those, but I had already used 1. And I had also picked up 3 cans of the snow spray, because I will attempt to cover one of my Christmas, well, 2 of them actually, with fake snow. So that's it as far as my Christmas decor DIY haul goes. There are 2 more items that I had picked up, and that was, I went to Lens Mills because I really wanted to add more Christmas pillows into my decor. I have a few, but I wanted some more. So unfortunately, can't bring myself paying $30-40 per pillow. So I have some old pillows that I've been kind of keeping off on a shelf, or I had purchased some pillow covers, but because I'm located in Canada, for us to go on Amazon and get, like, I look at Amazon.com and they have such a beautiful variety of pillow covers for a reasonable price, but for me to ship them to Canada, either they don't ship or the shipping's just through the roof and they won't accept my Prime. So in Canada, they had one pillow cover on Prime, one pillowcase. So I had purchased it last year, but in hopes that this year there will be more. There are some, but it says, like when you look at it, like 3 months once in stock to ship. So I don't even want to go there. So I went to Lens Mills and I had picked up two different sets of, like, two different patterns for the pillows. One was the checkered, sorry, and then another checkered, but it was not like the square. It was more, it actually was very similar to this one. And I'm gonna add pictures of what they look like because I had forgotten I was gonna shoot this video, and I had taken them over to my mom's to sew me the pillows because this girl cannot sew. So she's gonna make me pillowcases. I should have enough for 5 pillowcases, and I had paid $23 for this material. So I think this is how I'm gonna go from now on for all the seasons. I was kind of looking because they have some of their Halloween and fall materials there still, and they had some great choices. So I'm sure if you can't sew or don't have anybody to sew, you could somehow hot glue it together. But for that price, I was blown away that it only cost me $23. Maybe people know this. Maybe I just didn't know this, but glad I found out. So I will throw in the pictures of the materials because she's gonna come tomorrow to take some of the pillows so she can take the measurements. So I will tell her to bring it back so I can take the pictures of the material, so I can link it down below so you can see. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and like I said, I would love for you to press the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.